In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys which settings you need to turn off immediately. Turn them off right now on your Fire Stick. If you do own a Fire Stick or maybe a Fire TV, let's dive into the settings that you need to disable. Okay, I'm right here on the home screen. Go ahead and grab your remote control, and as you can see at the very top, we're on the home bar or the top bar, but go all the way over to where it says settings, click enter, and then click over to preferences. First, particular device usage data. This is where they collect your personal data collected by operating systems of this device for marketing and product improvement services or purposes. We're going to go ahead and turn that off. Alright, the next one is where allows Amazon to collect information relating to your use of over-the-air TV content received through an antenna connected directly into your TV. So go ahead and turn that one off also. Alright, the next one is the internet-based ads. They're already collecting a lot of information and data on you, so go ahead and disable this one as well. Okay, next up, go ahead and click the back button. Alright, we're going to go down to data monitoring. Click on that. And we're going to go ahead and turn this off because I have no reason of why I need to monitor my data. You probably don't either, so go ahead and turn that on off. Mine was already on off, but go ahead and turn yours on off if it's not. Click back, and you're going to go down to notification settings. Click on that. Okay, on this screen here, you'll see the second field here says app notifications. Go ahead and click on that. Now, once you have this up here, you'll see that just about every app on here has on. And you're probably not going to want to see notifications come up on your Fire Stick constantly from all these different apps. Turning these off will make your Fire Stick run a lot better. So go ahead and just go ahead and click on every one of these and turn them off. Every app that you have, make sure that it says off. Okay, after you get those turned off, go ahead and click the back button, and we're going to go down to featured content. And on featured content right here, this is a preference whether you want this on and off, where it allows video autoplay. This is where those advertisement movies and TV shows start automatically playing at the top of your home screen. If you want that on, go ahead and leave it on, or if you want it off. Sometimes I actually do watch those, but it does take up some of your bandwidth if it's on, so you can, it's all up to you if you want to turn it on or off, but this is where you would click that. And then right here is audio, where it allows your rotator to auto play the sound, so you can click that on and off as well. Alright, then click back. Okay, we're going to go back to this menu here. Now, what we're going to do is go to that device and software. Now, this may read a little different on some people's devices. It may say My Fire TV as another option. My particular version here does say device and software. So click on that. Okay, now go down to developer options. Click on there. Now, you're going to want to make sure that both of these settings are turned on. The ADB debugging and the apps from unknown sources. What this does is it does allow you to sideload any kind of apps that are not supported by Amazon. This gives you the ability to do that, so make sure that those are turned on. Okay, after you do that, go ahead and click the back button. Click it back again, so you're on this screen, and then click over to where it says applications. That's where we're going to go next, applications. Click on applications. And then you're going to want to go down to Game Circle and click on that. Now, I don't know how many of you guys play games on your Fire Stick. I know that I don't. I mean, we have consoles and apps for that, but if you don't, go ahead and turn this off. That way it just doesn't take any more data, or it'll make your Fire TV Stick run a little bit more smooth. Next, go ahead and click the back button again, and then right here where it says Amazon Photos, click on that. Now, if you're not uploading any of your photos on here, you can just disable that, because right now it's on Access Amazon Photos. We'll just go ahead and disable, because I mean, I use, like, my iPhone has iPhotos, so it already does that, so I don't need that. And then click back again. Okay, when you click back, you'll go up to where it says allow guest connections right there. This is when you allow this, guests may request to connect to your TV using a supported device or to cast photos or videos to your screen. This isn't something that I need, so I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. If you feel like this is something that you don't want, turn that off also. It'll just slow down your Fire Stick if you have it on. Okay, now the last setting, we're going to go ahead and click back, and we're going to go up to the App Store. And right here, if you do have kids in your house, small kids that may accidentally buy something in the App Store, to prevent that from happening, click this setting here, turn that off. That way it doesn't happen, and therefore you won't get any kind of charges that you are unaware of. But these are the main settings as far as what you need to turn on and off on your Fire TV Stick to make it run smoother and not collect any bandwidth. But yeah, hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.